Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming account and client basics. Sign into Battlenet and confirm two-factor authentication isn't blocking you. Make sure the game shows as owned in your account and that the region matches where you usually play. Once logged in, check the client's update status and force close, then relaunch the app if updates or installer prompts are queued. This often clears a stuck playing now status and restores proper presence signaling. Next, diagnose network and permission causes. Run a quick ping or speed test to confirm connectivity and low packet loss. Then open firewall and antivirus settings. Explicitly allow Battlenet and the specific game executables so presence and matchmaking traffic can flow. If you use a VPN or proxy, disable it temporarily because it can block presence updates. Also verify NAT type on your router to ensure multiplayer and presence ports aren't being restricted. These steps resolve most mid-process visibility failures. Finish by running Battlenet scan and repair for the problem game. This rebuilds files and often fixes the playing now state. Once repair completes, log out of the app, clear the client cache folder, then log back in to refresh presence. If the problem persists, perform a clean reinstall of Battlenet and the game, and if needed, gather logs and contact support. Troubleshooting tip: if presence still fails, test with a different account on the same machine to isolate account versus device issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.